extremely creepy. I actually know someone who got into a very bad ski accident, and his Apple Watch kind of saved him.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't know. It's kind of.
It's like a.
Wow. Okay, Presto.
That was a close one.
That's really stupid.
Yep.
I hope he wrecks and doesn't wreck anyone else with him. That's my
wife's like in the car pregnant, giving birth herself.
I doubt it.
Oh,
Oh yeah! Get him! Oh, that's why he's running. No wonder he's doing that.
I've never seen that.
Huh?
I've never seen that.
I have coming from the other way. Oh, did he wreck?
Get the car right then.
See if I can get ahead of this truck. So much for being on time. Idiots. I hate people that do that.
Yeah, I haven't seen that ever.
You gotta be kidding me. Are you kidding me? Oh, I got some more.
She's back. Oh, watch out! Back up, Brent. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
She backed into me. He's down.
Oh, now I gotta see what the damage is.
Didn't you hear the horn? Yeah, I did. I don't.
Myself, tested the world, it was hard to get up, but I put one foot in front of the other, kept on going, until there was no hard feeling.
Lying to yourself and him to make me jealous. You put on such a nice.
Yo, what the? Are you kidding me, bro? What the fuck?
Because he wasn't, his name was Roger Barrett. He said he's not well, I think. And one of the brothers actually came to London.
Okay, Garmin. Same video.
Like that would ease a lot of this shit. A lot of these people that just go astray and go into right-wing shittiness because they didn't find anybody to connect
Christ.
with.
It ain't the winter time, man. Because, man, when it snows, we get these blankets of snow on the ground. I go outside, I can't find my car. It ain't the winter time, man. Because, man, when it snows, we get these I go outside.
Promise.
I would.
Okay.
Honestly.
Okay. Okay. I just can't thank you enough. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
Huh?
I'm going to turn around.
Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Dumbass. This one's pretty quick. You see him at the light here. This guy and I start to go. Wet pavement, so I had to kind of slow roll to start because I have a rear-wheel drive truck. But the guy in the SUV there didn't really give a shit. I gave him a honk, quick flash of the lights, but you can't tell, but he was pretty close to taking my bumper off.